In today's session, I'm going to discuss about SQL injection and various of its types. We are also going to see a new technique proposed by me in my MTech thesis about thwarting SQL injection using fuzzy tainting. So let's see first what is SQL injection and then we'll proceed further. SQL injection is a type of injection attack in which the attacker can provide a malicious code to the user input parameter in order to gain an unauthorized access. With the help of SQL injection, an attacker can not only reveal your database to the public, it can also modify various of the data in your database. So as information is a very important asset to the organization, any of the tampering with database can result in serious damages to the reputation of the company. So let's see, in this example we are using a simple authentication form that is for logging into some system. Now in this example, the attacker is toying with the truth values in order to obtain the results from the database. It can reveal, if this website is sensitive to SQL injection, then the attacker can reveal all the information in your database. SQL injection is of various types. Number one, tautology, like logical and incorrect queries, union queries. We'll see a few of them through example. I have created a dummy website on which I'm going to perform the tautology attack, and let's see what happens. Here we go, and all the records in this for this website are being displayed here. Now we can also have some other type of attack on this website. Let's say we are going for the logically incorrect queries. Now what we do in here is I'm simply going to insert something like this, and although it doesn't reveal anything, but it does reveal that at the back end I'm using MySQL server database. So this in security terms is known as fingerprinting of the database. The attacker gets to know the information that the backend used on this website is MySQL server. Further down the line, I can perform, let's say, a union query in order to obtain some data which I am not legalized to obtain. I have created this data set here. Let me just copy this query from here. Now if I am logging here, now I am obtaining the record of this person named Daniel without giving any without authenticating myself. I'm not providing any login ID, I'm not providing any password. I'm simply stating that the first name of the user is Daniel, so tell me all its details, and I'm having everything about him right here. Similarly, there are many other types of SQL injection attacks, known as the piggyback queries, stored procedure, alternate encoding. We can also perform all this onto this dummy website I have created. Now I'll be telling to you how I'm okay. Now one of the major flaws in the defense techniques used for SQL injection is that the persons generally check about the input. They don't care what if the whole query is resulting into a SQL injection attack or not. They simply check some that causes an hindrance, because the user might have a name like O'Brien, but what this developer will do is that he will restrict inputting this quotation mark, so that so the user cannot enter such names in here. It provides a bad experience for the user. So in the proposed query, we are allowing the user to input anything into the parameters and still trying to detect what whether there is some attack made or not. So in the proposed technique, we are using fuzzy tainting. Now fuzzy tainting has these following steps here. I'll explain it to you through a decision tree that suppose I told you already that rather than seeing only the input done by the user, we want to look over the whole query to see whether any sort of injection attack has been made or not. This is done by not only looking at the input but also at the type of the SQL statement. Combining both these types, we are resulting whether any the resulting query is poses some sort of risk again for SQL injection or not. This is my proposed algorithm. In this we can see if that attack type is valid, then we have no risk, and similarly if the attack type is high and the statement type is DML, we have some severe level of SQL injection here. So now I'll just see if now I'll be seeing that how my enabling my methodology in this website will stop all these attacks. Still, let me see about the valid queries. Okay, so let me perform something like, let's say this. I'm doing login. What I am having is a SQL error has been detected. Furthermore, on the back end, I have indications that what level of threat the SQL injection has been posing to me. Okay, now if I input something valid like let's say O'Neill. Okay, I'm inputting O'Neill. Now I'm trying to log in here. No record has been found, but I'm allowed to use this. Okay, so it does work. In the near future, I can incorporate I can extend it to solve NoSQL injection. I can also use it to enhance it by incorporating more of the encoding patterns in it. So thank you for watching this video.